Hey everyone, it's Yukesh Sani here, and welcome to this in-depth guide on mastering Google Ads to seriously grow your business. You know, Google Ads can be a total game changer when it comes to driving traffic, leads, and most importantly, sales. But to really unlock the true potential of this platform, you need a strategic approach. We're going to walk step by step through proven tactics to maximize your return on investment and skyrocket your business growth. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, let's get started. Before you even think about diving into Google Ads, we need to get crystal clear on your goals. What do you want to achieve with your campaigns? Are you looking to drive tons of traffic to your website? Do you want to generate a ton of leads for your sales team? Or is your main focus boosting sales and revenue? Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, those SMART goals will be your guiding light throughout this entire process. So take some time, define your goals, write them down, and let's move on to the next step. Now that you know exactly what you want to achieve, it's time to pick the right Google Ads campaign type that aligns perfectly with those goals. Google Ads offers a bunch of different campaign types, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases. Let's break them down. First up, we have search ads. These are the ads that appear at the top of Google's search results when someone searches for a keyword related to your business. They're perfect for driving traffic to your website and capturing high-intent users actively searching for what you offer. Next, we have display ads. These are image-based ads that appear on websites across the Google Display Network. Think of them as billboards in the digital world, great for building brand awareness and reaching a wider audience. Then there are shopping ads, a must-have for e-commerce businesses. These visually appealing ads showcase your products directly within Google's search results, making it super easy for potential customers to find and buy what they're looking for. Keywords are the foundation of any successful Google Ads campaign. They're the words and phrases people type into Google when searching for products or services like yours. Our goal here is to find those golden nuggets, the high-intent keywords that perfectly align with what your target audience is searching for. One of the best tools at your disposal is Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool that lets you research keywords, see their search volume competition, and even get suggestions for new keywords you might not have considered. When doing keyword research, focus on a mix of high-volume keywords and long-tail keywords. High-volume keywords are more competitive, but can bring in a lot of traffic. Long-tail keywords, on the other hand, are longer, more specific phrases that have lower search volume, but they're less competitive and can be incredibly effective at targeting the right audience. By targeting longer, more specific phrases, you're more likely to reach people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. All right, you've got your goals, you've chosen your campaign type, and you've done your keyword research. Now it's time to write ad copy that converts like crazy. Your ad copy is what's going to grab attention, spark interest, and ultimately get people to click through to your website. Think of your ad copy as your elevator pitch. You've got a limited amount of time and space to make a killer first impression and convince people that you're worth their click. Start with a clear, concise, and attention-grabbing headline that clearly communicates the value proposition of your product or service. Use strong action verbs, numbers, and special offers to make it pop. Craft compelling ad copy that expands on your headline, highlighting the key benefits of your product or service. Use words that resonate with your target audience and address their pain points. And don't forget about a strong call to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do, whether it's shop now, learn more, or get a free quote. Now let's talk about the financial side of things, your Google Ads budget and bidding strategy. The good news is you're in complete control of how much you spend on Google Ads. Start by setting a daily or monthly budget that aligns with your overall marketing budget and business goals. You can always adjust this later as you start seeing results. Next, you'll need to choose a bidding strategy. Google Ads offers several options, each with its own pros and cons. Manual CPC, or cost per click, bidding gives you the most control over your bids. You set the maximum amount you're willing to pay for each click on your ad. Maximize conversions bidding is all about, you guessed it, maximizing conversions. Google's algorithm automatically sets your bids to get you the most conversions possible within your budget. The best bidding strategy for you will depend on your specific goals, budget, and risk tolerance. Okay, you've got people clicking on your ads, which is fantastic, but your job's not done yet. Your landing page is where the real magic happens, where clicks turn into conversions. A high-converting landing page is crucial for getting the most out of your Google Ads campaigns. First and foremost, make sure your landing page loads lightning fast. People are impatient, and if your page takes forever to load, they'll bounce before they even see what you have to offer. Keep your messaging clear, concise, and aligned with your ad copy. Don't make people guess what they're going to get. Include strong calls to action that tell people exactly what you want them to do. Make it easy for them to convert, and of course, make sure your landing page is mobile-friendly. One of the most powerful features of Google Ads is its ability to target your ideal audience with laser precision. You can target people based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and even their past interactions with your website. Think about your ideal customer. What are their demographics? What are they interested in? What are their pain points? Remarketing is another incredible tool you need to be using. It allows you to re-engage people who have previously visited your website but didn't convert. For example, let's say someone visits your product page but leaves without making a purchase. With remarketing, you can show them targeted ads reminding them of the product they were interested in and enticing them to come back and complete their purchase. By using a combination of audience targeting and remarketing, you can ensure that your ads are seen by the most qualified audience, increasing your chances of conversions and maximizing your return on investment. Launching your Google Ads campaigns is just the first step. The real work begins with ongoing monitoring, analysis, and optimization. Regularly review your campaign performance to see what's working and what's not. Look at key metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, cost per click, and return on ad spend. Pause or adjust underperforming ads that aren't delivering results. Experiment with different ad variations, landing pages, and bidding strategies to see what performs best. The more you test and optimize, the better your campaigns will perform. Remember, Google Ads is an ongoing process of continuous improvement. To truly master Google Ads, you need to be a data-driven marketer. That's where Google Analytics and Google Ads conversion tracking come in. Google Analytics is a free and incredibly powerful tool that provides a wealth of data about your website traffic and user behavior. Google Ads conversion tracking allows you to track conversions, which are the actions you want people to take on your website, like making a purchase, filling out a form, or signing up for your email list. By integrating Google Analytics and Google Ads conversion tracking, you can see exactly which keywords, ads, and landing pages are driving the most valuable conversions. This data allows you to measure your return on investment, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. Once you've identified your winning campaigns, the ones that are generating a positive return on investment, it's time to scale them up and take things to the next level. Gradually increase your budget for your top-performing campaigns to reach a wider audience and maximize your conversions. Start small and gradually increase your budget over time, monitoring your results closely to ensure you're still getting a good return on investment. If you're targeting multiple geographic locations, consider expanding to new markets where your products or services are in high demand. Do your research to identify new target audiences and tailor your ad campaigns accordingly. You can also experiment with different ad formats and placements to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, scaling your Google Ads campaigns is an ongoing process. There you have it, your roadmap to mastering Google Ads. We've covered a ton of ground today, from setting clear goals to scaling your winning campaigns. Remember, Google Ads is a powerful tool that can take your business to new heights, but it requires a strategic approach and ongoing optimization. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Until next time, happy advertising.